Hello guys, I'm Kanak. Welcome to your channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm gonna show you another deep fried snack which is very famous in India, that is onion samosa. I've already showed you a video on Punjabi samosa, but these samosa are a little different from that. They're small cone shaped samosa with spicy onion filling inside, and they make a great appetizer for any time of the day. First, in a bowl, mix the all-purpose flour and the wheat flour together with some salt, carom seeds and 1 tablespoon of oil and mix well. Now add water little at a time to knead the dough. Keep kneading the dough until it becomes semi-soft dough. Keep kneading it until it is done well. Now this dough for the outer covering is ready. Set it aside and let it rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now in another bowl, mix together all the ingredients given for stuffing. So first in a bowl, take the sliced onions, and to this I am going to add the poha, salt, red chili powder, cumin powder, green chilies, lemon juice, chaat masala and fresh coriander, and mix thoroughly with the help of your hands. Poha is added because it helps in taking away or absorbing the excess moisture coming out of the onions. Now this onion filling is ready, keep it aside. Now in a small bowl, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix it with 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to make a thick paste this way, and keep it aside. It should not be very thin, but it should be little sticky this way. Now take a small portion of the dough and with the help of some dry flour, roll it out to make a thin small chapati out of it. Now take the thin chapati on a non-stick pan over medium-high heat and let it cook for 5 to 8 seconds on both the sides. Do not cook for more than that and change its color. See, this way you can see it's slightly cooked, but it is still raw. Few people like to put the stuffing directly into the raw chapatis, but I personally like to prefer this as it helps in making the samosas more crispy and it takes less oil. Now take one sheet or one chapati and cut it in the middle. Now you have 2 semicircle sheets. Now take one semicircle sheet and place the filling. Wet the edges with the all-purpose flour mixture we prepared earlier for sticking. Now flip one side on top of the stuffing and press it a little to stick it, and then flipping and overlapping the other side on top of it this way to make a cone shape out of it. Now stick the sides nicely to seal it on all the sides. Now for the bottom, first seal the thinner side applying some more all-purpose flour paste, and then finally sealing up the thicker bottom side of the cone upward to seal it all together to give it a good shaped cone or samosa out of it. Now repeat the procedure for all the dough and stuffing. Now I finished making all the samosas. Now you can see my first batch is ready. Now I'm going to fry them in hot oil over medium-high heat, flipping them in between and turning them so that they are evenly golden brown on all the sides for around 3 to 4 minutes. Once you see they have got good color and they have turned crispy, now I am going to remove them on a kitchen towel and serve hot. So my lovely and crispy onion samosas are ready with quite crunchy and golden brown covering outside and with some spicy onion filling inside. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes.